Oh no. Dude!
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make niggas, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us for rum.
So it's another day. We don't really got anything to do today. It's been non-stop struggles this week. My snout for my Hellcat got lost in the mail. They finally got it, so we're waiting on that. My powder coat guy is taking, you know, his sweet time, but it's okay. It is what it is. And also, I might be selling this bad girl. Even though she's my baby, I might be selling it Tuesday. So we're about to take her out and try to figure out something to do today because we got no plans. So we're gonna load this up in the truck, and I guess I was thinking maybe I try to redo the wheelie I did last time. Last time I wheelied it out, but this time I want to wheelie it out, land in a wheelie, and then keep riding it, but I don't know. That's the plans for today. We're just kind of, oh, damn, bitch, the thing's sharp. Last time you guys saw this bike, it almost was blown up, and I don't know why I did that, because it runs mint.
Yeah, it runs mint.
Hey, listen, it's sitting. Oh, and the gas is off.
Oh. Alright.
There's no easy way to do that.
You don't understand.
I'm out of breath.
It's just a ladder. It's not even a ramp.
It's literally a ladder. It's a ladder now. So we're looking for a spot to ride the quad, and look at these rocks right here. I feel like I kind of want to rock climb the truck. Everyone's saying this bitch is a pavement princess, and honestly it is. We're about to see what this bad boy can do. Or this bad girl.
Here in the suburbs of Florida, this is the highlight of our day.
This is literally like the most hill you're gonna find in Florida. Yeah, so I'm thinking about 40 miles an hour, just.
And then we got a nice little landing over there.
Yeah, in the water. It's pretty solid right here though. Look at little flex.
You don't even know what this is, dude. Is this still, is that a rock?
Hit it how fast? Like 20 or 30?
50.
50?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
How we looking?
This one looks a little sketchy right here. I mean, there it goes, there it goes. There it goes. It's not even
What's going on right now? This thing's a piece of shit.
Hey.
You can't even get over a little bump.
No, you want to get on this. 50 miles an hour, straight onto that.
That is true. This is the most off-roading this truck's ever done.
Nah. Oh, you heard that? What? Yeah. You're good. You're good. Yeah, go. Hammer it. Oh! I mean, you're on the rock, bro. You're good. Don't move at all. Like, this is...
My back wheel's off the ground.
This is perfect.
Bro, I think I'm about to flip. My back wheel off the ground.
Just a tad.
I'm gonna leave it in drive.
No, don't leave it in drive.
Fuck it.
Don't leave it in drive. Oh no, dude, you're gonna leave it in drive. It's gonna go straight into the lake.
Bro, it's good. I got insurance.
You got insurance.
Listen, don't say this thing's not capable. Look at this.
Yeah,
Off the ground.
that is off the ground.
Built Ford tough.
You're still in drive. You still got a little dick.
Little dick check. Big
And
dreams check. I'm kind of flossed right now. I'm not gonna lie.
Can you flex up into the air? Like,
Oh. She's creaking.
Oh God.
You're just breaking her in. People are gonna be like, you're ruining that truck. And then some people are like, that thing's a pavement princess. She's just jack of all trades.
Jack of all trades. Does it all.
So I'm kind of hungry.
Yeah.
Trying to go to McDonald's?
Yeah, let's get it. I mean, we can't really take the truck. It's kind of stuck.
I say we leave the truck, we take the bike. Yo, you think I'll get a parking ticket here?
Yeah, but you're good.
Where's the meter? You hungry? You think someone will steal my ramp?
No.
Steal my ramp? You're a scumbag.
Yeah.
I took it up the ass. I think that went pretty well. That couldn't went any better. How much? You got cash on you? I'll take 50 bucks. Yeah. You gotta have it on you right now though.
He said, oh god. Hey, we're capping, fam.
It says no trespassing. I could literally go for an ice cream right now.
Yeah.
Nothing to see here. This thing's street legal.
This is what we do in Florida when you have nothing else to do.
Literally, there's nothing else to do today, so, you know, we're improvising. Like, oh, sir, no four-wheelers allowed. I get, 2 ice cream cones?
Okay, your total's gonna be $297.
$2.97. I remember back in the day, they used to be 90, they were like 78 cents. I grabbed it, and then the top just fell off. Let's roll.
Let's roll.
I should have got like if I would have got like a shake or something, I would have done it. But literally, I grabbed it, and then the whole ice cream top just fell off.
Flipped right off.
I lost all the ice cream. This is literally impossible. Oh!
Oh, you hit your ankle.
I feel like all the people that are short that get into my truck. We're back at the house, and your boy's about to try to do the little wheelie. Well, I don't even know what you call it. I want to land in the wheelie and then keep going. So
Physics.
I watched too many Axel Hodges videos, and now I'm untouchable. I mean, that guy must hate me, dude. My truck is parked in the road.
And I got the Jeep right over there, so he's gonna have to.
That's what we think. I could not replicate that.
That
There's
was.
no way.
I didn't go wrong. What could go wrong?
Put that on a shirt.
What do you desire? What makes you itch? What sort of a situation would you like? Let's suppose I do this on...
Alright, so it's August 13th, 2019. I currently have 667 subscribers and I have 63,000 views. I'm not monetized yet, but I'm looking forward to getting monetized. I've got my Corvette, I've got my truck. I don't really know what I'm doing with those. I don't really plan on selling them. In a year from now, I'd like to be at 20,000 subscribers. That's kind of my goal. I would be really happy with that. That would be sick. And I really want to buy property and a house. So that's kind of my goals. From a year from now, I'd love to have property with a house, but even that's kind of far-fetched, but I think I can pull it off. And everything's been great, and I'm looking forward to what the future holds, and I'm going to stay consistent, and I'm talking to myself from the past right now. So hopefully I can look back at this a year later from now and think, wow, I crushed my goals. So that's the idea.
If you say that getting the money is the most important, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things.
Yeah, man, shit's crazy. Ever since I blew up, I just got fans everywhere. Like, I used to be a nobody, and now, like, everywhere I go, I just got, like, hella fans. Oh, shit, I think that's a fan right there. What up, dude? F you. Shit, hey, cut that.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be.
Guys, so today I met these girls on Tinder, and I got them out here to change my oil in my truck, so. Killing it.